Unfortunately, it ignores the seal's breathing hole and heads straight for me.
She's coming closer and closer. Oh my God. She is enormous. Jeez. She whiz. Really is why I've come here. To see these animals. To get to understand them. See them up close. Hey, bear. Oh my God. He's right here. Hey, bear.
The bear's nose is thousands of times more powerful than mine. It's gathering information before it approaches, like it would when stalking a seal. My scent is strongest at the weakest point, the door.
Yeah, that door's not good. Okay, just checking the lock. Okay.
It's systematically trying from all angles.
Being this close, get an appreciation for what this animal is. It is one of the most powerful animals on the planet, one of the most intimidating animals on the planet, and one of the few animals that actually see us as food.
The bear's nose has led it to a gap.
You can sniff me. Gosh, I could have actually touched its nose. Is that giving a little? She's feeling the pressure there. She can actually feel that perspex is flexing. She's trying to see if she can crawl through it. She's trying to see if she can bite through it. It's getting a little bit hairy in here. I can feel that he's just pushing all his weight against this side of the cube.